What's up everyone, GT here today, and before we get started with this video, I just want to let you know that I will be giving Super Smash Bros. Ultimate full game download code. Scratch it here on the video, and I'm going to insert it somewhere in the timeline of this video. So you might want to fast forward, rewind, wait to the very end or after credits or whatever I do to see if you get this code. Like I said, first come, first serve. It's a free copy of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Just keep in mind, you cannot play it yet. You can download it, and you can play it once it releases at midnight or 11, depending on where you're from. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So today we have the Nintendo Switch Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Edition console. And in the console, you do get the Nintendo Switch, you do get the Joy-Cons left and right, the Joy-Con straps, the high-speed HDMI cable, the Nintendo dock, the Joy-Con grips, the Nintendo Switch AC adapter, and of course you get the full game download. So first things first, here's the front cover of the box. Here you have Link, you have Pikachu, you got Ness, you got Donkey Kong, you got Samus, Metroid, Yoshi, Mario, Kirby, Splatoon, Fox, Princess Peach. Man, quite a lineup, to be honest. And this console is customized as well. You get the Switch dock customized, you get the Joy-Cons customized, and you also get the Switch customized. Here's the side of the box, you know, pretty much you get the contents. Here's the back of the box. Let's see if I know my characters very well. I know that's Fox, Donkey Kong. I'm trying to remember who his name is. Mario, Link, Kirby, Samus, Yoshi. Oh, damn it, don't tell me. I'll get back to him. I think that's Ness, Pikachu, Splatoon. Forgot that person's name. Villager, Koopa, Ripley, if I'm right. That has to be Ripley. So let's go ahead and check it out. Check out the logo back here. It looks pretty dope. I like it. Alright, so we're going to open this box here. And as usual, as y'all seen in the previous Pikachu version console, plug it in, set it up, and you're good to go. And that's it. Nada. Open it up. Bam. You get the Nintendo Switch console and the Joy-Cons right off the bat. So let's go ahead and pull this out real quick. And let's check what's in here. Oh, here you go. Nintendo Switch flyer. Here you go. Nintendo Switch Super Smash Bros. Ultimate full game download. And yeah, I will scratch this and give this away. So somewhere in this video here, I'm going to sneak this in without telling y'all. So of course, the usual in the box, you do get the HDMI cable. You do get the USB, well actually this is the USB Type-C AC adapter. Nothing else here. You get the Joy-Con grip or Joy-Con controller grips. Pretty much you slide your Joy-Cons and it's like you have a remote control, actual control for a console. So that's what you get there. You get the Joy-Con straps here, there you go. So pretty much, you know, it has little buttons, you slide your hand in, and you know, just like the Wii U, if you throw it by accident, you don't break your TV. Now, here we have the Joy-Con. Psych, I was just kidding. This is actually the Nintendo Switch dock. So let's go ahead and pull this out and... Alright, the moment I've been waiting for is the scratch off of the download code. So I'm going to go ahead and scratch this off. And hopefully, like I said, first come, first serve. Whoever gets it, congratulations. I don't need this because I've already bought the physical copies. And I never download anything digital that I get from my Nintendo Switch consoles, my Xbox, my PS4, none of that. So I don't do that. So let's go ahead and scratch this off already. And here is your code. It is B1396JLL28FR58MS. So yeah, here you go. Congratulations. First come, first serve. Whoever gets it, you got yourself a copy of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Damn! This thing is fire, son. This thing is fire. Fire, baby. So yeah, damn, this is pretty dope. I like this. Mario, Kirby, Fox, Link, Yoshi, Pikachu, Donkey Kong, Samus, Metroid. Damn, this thing is fire. I'm not gonna lie. I like the blackout, grayed out color on it. As you've seen in the Pikachu version, it was the brown and the gold and the yellow. But this is pretty cool. I like this. It's not, I think this is kind of like lasered in somehow. So if you look at it, the sides, there you go. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step. Continuing on, let's pull out the Joy-Cons and see how these things look. How they, you know, how they customize them. As you can see here, this one just has one line. I think they could have done better, to be honest with you. Nothing in the back, just your standard gray, dark gray Joy-Con with the one custom line. Here you have your second Joy-Con, which is your left, with the one-liner, two-liner custom, metallic silver with the dark gray as well. This pretty much is your standard Nintendo Switch with just a couple lines, and that's it. Now, let's move on with the Nintendo Switch itself. And yeah, I'm kind of disappointed on this one. So as you can see here, regular standard Nintendo Switch, nothing fancy, nothing in the back. Can you believe that? I spent $400 or $300. Honestly, I don't remember how much I spent. I think it was like $400 for a custom console, which you have nothing in the back itself. Kind of lame, to be honest. So let's go ahead and try on the Joy-Cons and see how it actually looks. So there you go, Joy-Cons put on. It's just like your standard Nintendo Switch, nothing special. At least the Eevee one was cool. The Eevee and Pikachu one was cool because, you have your brown and gold, and in the back you did have all the silhouettes of Pikachu and Eevee, which is pretty dope. And I really don't consider this as a custom. The only thing custom that I see about is the dock. That's all I see custom is the dock, nothing else. Just the dock, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing for the Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. Anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching this video. If you like this Nintendo Switch, then the Pikachu and Eevee, let me know in the comments below. Drop a thumbs up. Follow me on Twitter. Like I said, I gave away some stuff for Black Friday. The holidays are coming up, or they're actually already here. I'm going to be giving away some stuff for Christmas to random people, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. The link's in the description below, down here, so make sure you do that. Anyways, once again, I want to thank y'all. Like I said, I'm going to be giving out random shit throughout the month. So it's the holidays, and I know some people can't afford to buy everything, and I just want to help people out and help the community out, and that's what I'm about. Like I said, I don't do YouTube for money. I just do it as a hobby, so if you can see from my consistency of my video uploads, it's kind of getting better, improving, but like I said, it's a hobby. I like having fun making videos, editing videos, stuff like that. But anyways, thank you guys and gals for watching. I'm GT, signing out, and I'll see you guys later. Adios.